In this video, we're cooking a couple of pork butts overnight in the BX25 charcoal-fired smoker without the help of an electronic temperature controller. The meat took 14 hours to cook, but after stabilizing the smoker at the beginning of the cook, it held a steady temperature without further adjustments. Aside from getting up to add fuel, we got a full night's sleep while running a manual charcoal-fired smoker. We fired the BX25 at 7:30 in the evening with Chef Select charcoal briquettes and 2 chunks of seasoned hardwood. Our target temperature was 225 to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. We seasoned the butts with Meadow Creek Texas brisket rub and put them into the smoker by 8 o'clock. An hour later, the smoker was running a little hot, but a simple vent adjustment stabilized it between 240 and 245 degrees. At 10:15, the smoker was still cruising at 240 degrees. After sleeping for 3 hours and checking on it, we found the smoker had fallen to 220, only 5 degrees below our target temperature. We refilled the basket with charcoal and went back to bed. At 7 o'clock, the smoker was holding at 240 degrees. Both pork butts were done by 10 o'clock that morning. After holding the meat for a couple of hours, we pulled and vacuum sealed it for some quick and delicious meals. Meadow Creek box smokers are a solid choice for anyone who appreciates handmade quality, a compact footprint, and ease of use even on an overnight cook. Explore these smokers and read customer reviews on our website at meadowcreekbarbecue.com.